All right, so today we'll discuss about standard costing, no? And then we'll answer some of the problem here, no? About Albert Rivera's company, no? Uh, but before that, no, we'll discuss first, no, about the standard costing, no, or the variance analysis per se, no, because the question here is all about um variance analysis, no. But before that, no, a very important class that in terms of the variance analysis, no, very important that in your material, no, so una-una class, we have your material variance or total material variance, no? So, unang-una, you have your total material variance. So, ano po yung formula natin ng total material variance? Di ba ang formula niyan is like this: actual quantity to be multiplied by actual price minus standard quantity to be multiplied by standard price, di ba? So, yan po yung formula natin. Okay. So, under the total material variance, no, may tinatawag po tayong, number one, yung ating material price variance. Okay. So, material price variance. Okay. So, ano po yung formula niya? No, di ba tatlo yan? No? Letter A muna, the formula is like this. Memorize, no? Pero for me, kayang-kayang i-memorize because of the number 3, no? So, later, we'll discuss it. Ano yung formula ng material price variance? Actual quantity to be multiplied by actual price minus actual quantity to be multiplied by standard price. Diba? Or, letter boy, is the parang ano siya, parang summary of letter A. Parang shortcut method of letter A. Paano po 'yon? Ito po ay price, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, the difference in terms of your price. Kaya actual price minus standard price. Again, this is the shortcut method of letter A. Ano yung parehas-las dito? 'Di ba? Actual quantity. E di multiply mo siya ng actual quantity. Ganun lang ha. Ganun yung formula niya. Okay? Mamaya, class, may letter C pa yan. And number 2, yung tinatawag nating material quantity variance. Alright? So, you have your material quantity variance. Okay. So, ano naman yung formula, class, ng total material quantity variance? Letter A, memorize again. Actual quantity to be multiplied by standard price minus standard quantity times standard price. Okay, so yan po yung formula, class, ha. Since ito po ay shortcut method of letter B, o class, may letter boy ulit yan, or yung ating letter B, no? So, anong letter B? Yung boy naman is that, ano yung quantity, di ba? Ibig sabihin, difference in terms of your quantity. So, actual quantity minus standard quantity. Ano po yung parehas sa dalawa? E di standard price. Okay? So, yan po yung formula. Alam nyo ba, yan po ay may letters pa. Okay. Again, ito po ay disclaimer. As long as your unit purchase ay kaparehas po ng unit use, you can use this one. No? Disclaimer po yan. Dapat equal po siya. Paano po yon? No? Lagay mo sa left side ay actual quantity. So, actual quantity times actual price. Lagay mo naman dito, standard quantity times standard price. Ano yung extreme left mo ay actual quantity. Extreme right naman ay standard price. Multiply, minus, minus. Okay. Alam nyo ba, class, ito ay, di ba ito yan? Yes. Material price variance. Ito naman dalawa ay materials quantity variance. Correct? Yes. Plus, dapat, if you add material price variance and material quantity variance, that's your total material variance. Ito na dapat yan. If you add this material price variance plus materials quantity, yan po dapat ay yung ating total material variance. Eh, sir, paano pag hindi parehas? Eh, mali tayo. Okay? Hopefully, naintindihan, ha? Okay. We go now naman sa ating labor. So, in terms naman of labor, same lang po yan. Ha? So, in terms of our labor, same na same lang. So, you have again, number one, you have your total labor variance. Okay. Total labor variance. No? So, ano yung formula ng total labor variance? Same as kanina. Ito naman ay oras na. Actual hours minus, multiply actual rate. Multiply yan ha. Minus standard hours times our standard rate. Just compare the actual by standard. Okay. Ano pa? Then also, under total labor variance, you have your labor rate variance. So number one is the labor rate variance. So ano po yung formula ng labor rate variance? So again, same as material, tatlo po yan. So letter A, actual hours times actual rate minus actual hours times standard rate. By the way, paano ko pala ito na ma-memorize ito? This one. Ito po iniisip ko, no? Ito iniisip ko lagi. Okay? Para sa material price. Material quality naman, ito yung iniisip ko, no? Kaya madali po siyang ma-memorize, no? So, yan. So, ganoon din pala dito mamaya, no? So, para at least malaman natin, no? Okay. So, what else? Then, or, letter boy, yan po ay rate. Ibig sabihin, the difference in terms of your rate. Actual rate minus standard rate. Ano yung parehas sa dalawa? Actual hours. Kasi class, ito po ay shortcut method of letter A. Okay, what else? So, under labor rate under total labor variance, may pangalawa po yan. Yung ating labor efficiency variance. Paano naman tong labor efficiency variance? Ano yung formula class? Letter A, actual hours times standard rate minus standard hours times our standard rate. Okay? Ano po yung formula niya, ha? And then, or, letter boy, efficiency naman. Ibig sabihin, the difference in terms of oras. The actual hours minus standard hours. Ano yung parehas ka sa dalawa? Standard rate. Okay? Class. And also, may letter C po yan, no? Again, ito wala naman to sa purchase or use, no? Lagyan mo dito, actual hours times actual rate. Actual po dito. Ito naman ay standard, no? So, extreme left mo ay actual hours. Extreme right mo naman ay standard rate. Multiply, minus, minus. Eh, di ba ito class ay? Ito, labor rate variance. Ito naman ay labor efficiency variance. Class, dapat, if you add this one, dapat yan po ay total labor variance. So, yan lang po class, no? Ang ano niya, ha? Yan lang po yung formula, no? Sa pag-compute. Anyway, sige. We go now to this, no? So, we will have the Rivera Company, no? So, we will have the Rivera Company. So, I will use this coupon band, no, to answer for this. Alright. So, yan. So, Rivera Company, no? So, hopefully, nababasa, no? So, about Rivera Company. Ito lang. Rivera Company, the following information, is standard cost is 3.0, then 4.20, 2.5, 7.50. Then you have your actual of 2,750. O class, hindi parehas yung purchase and use, no? And you will have 7,000 labor. Okay. I forgot pala, no? Paano pag hindi given yung standard? Usually, hindi given yung standard, no? The formula for the standard, no? So, the formula class for the standard hours or sige, quantity muna, ang formula niya po ay actual unit produce to be multiplied by required materials. Kung yan po ay materials. Yun naman, standard hours naman, the formula niya ay actual unit produce, just multiply it by the required oras. Tandaan po yan, ha? So, yan po yung usual, no? Na formula, no? So, standard quantity, actual hours, or actual unit produced, just multiply it by the required materials. Standard hours, actual units, produced to be multiplied by the required oras. Kaya dito kasi class, hindi given, no? Hindi given yung standard. Mamaya, sige. We go now with letter, ano muna? Okay. So, ano class yung ating, ano dito, no? So, dito class, ang sabi, what is the material price variance? Okay. Class, we cannot use number 3, no? Kasi hindi parehas. Okay? So, maybe we can use yung pinakamadali, no? Yung pinakamadali, yung number 2. For me, pinakamadali yung number 2. Diba? Okay? The difference in terms of your price, the difference in terms of your quantity. Sige. We go first with number 16, no? What is the material price variance? Ano yung formula? Material price variance. Ano yung formula natin? Yung number 2, ha? Bahala kayo. You can go number 1 or number 2. You have your actual price minus standard price to be multiplied by actual quantity. Tama? So, magkano yung actual price natin? Actual price natin ay standard actual. Ito, 450. So, 450 po ito minus standard naman ay 4.20. For 4.50 minus 4.20, magkano actual quantity natin for materials, di ba? Plus, pag price, we will use purchase. Pag quantity, we will use the used. Again, pag quantity variance, we will use used. Okay, pag price naman, we will use the purchase. So, multiply it by 9,000. Okay. Plus, tinan nyo ha. Yung actual price mo ay 450. Standard price mo ay 420. 420 should be, not 450. Dito pa lang, the answer ay unfavorable na. In the CPA board exam, tanggalin mo na yung favorable. Between A and log na lang yan. Why? Because for this, it is unfavorable. Mas malaki yung gastos mo sa standard. Standard should be, di ba? Okay? So, for me, the answer is for this one ay 2,700 unfavorable. So, the answer for this is letter A. Okay, try yung calculator, ha? Number 16, the answer po ay letter A. Number 7, again, ha? Pag nakita mo na to, tanggalin mo na kagad, cross out mo na kaagad to, ha? Okay? 17, material quantity variance. Material quantity variance. Ano yung formula class? Actual quantity minus standard quantity. Ano yung kapares kanina? Standard rate, di ba? Okay. Magkano ang actual quantity natin? So, magkano yung actual quantity natin? Di ba? Ito yun, 9,000. Yes, 9,000. O class, for sure, hindi given yung standard quantity. Ang given ay production. Ito, 2,750. So, 2,750. Magkano yung required sa materials? Di ba? 3. To be multiplied by 3 pesos. Yan. To be multiplied by standard rate. Standard rate ay 4.20. Okay. Yan. So, sa aking kodigo, no? O, class unfavorable po ito. Mas malaki po yung actual mo sa ating standard. Sige, multiply natin, no? 2,750. Get my calculator. 2,750 to be multiplied by 3. Ilan yan? 8,250. So, 9,000 minus 8,250. O, dyan pa lang class, meron tayong unfavorable. Minus 9,000 times to 4.20. Tama ba na 3,150? Alright? For this, no? So for this, no? Sorry. I forgot pala. Again, we use this purchase. Again, at least nakamali tayo, no? We will not use pala this one. Bakit? Ito po ay for purchase. Kasabi ko lang, ha? Okay. Sige. We will use pala buti nakita ko. Material quantity variance, same pa rin. Actual quantity minus standard quantity, standard. Kasi malamang pwede yung answer ay 3,105, di ba? Buti wala. Walang answer, no? Wala. Okay, walang answer. Kung mayroon, patay na. No? So, you will use 87, no? Minus, di ba? Ito ay 8250 na. So, 8250 to be multiplied by standard rate. Kasi hindi ito, ha? Okay? Hindi yan. Kasi, we use dapat material purchase. So, 87 minus 8250 times 4.20. I think meron ng answer. Yan, meron na. 1890, which is unfavorable. Mas malaki yung actual mo. So, the answer for this, tanggalin mo na taklas agad to, no? Process of elimination, no? Kasi, you have a chance of 33.33%. Di ba? Pag dalawa na lang, 50%, at least maganda-ganda na. Di ba? Okay. Number 18 po tayo. We go with number 18. So, number 18 naman, what is the labor rate variance? So, number 18, labor rate variance. The difference in terms of your rate. So, the actual rate minus standard rate to be multiplied by your actual hours. Okay, magkano yung actual rate natin? Yung actual rate natin for number 18 ay 7.90. Given. Ito, 7.90. Okay? Magkano yung standard natin? Standard natin ay 750. Unfavorable na naman. Actual hours mo ay 7,000. Okay? So, the answer for this ay 7.90 minus 7.50 times 7,000. Malamang unfavorable to. Tanggalin mo na to, class. Tanggalin mo na to. No? So, the answer for this ay, for number 18 ay 2,800 unfavorable. Letter C yung answer. Okay? Last one tayo. Number 19 naman, what is the labor efficiency variance? So, in number 19, what is the labor efficiency variance? Labor efficiency variance, no? So, yan po yung ating formula. Okay? So, in terms of your labor efficiency variance, no? Very important also, no? Sa atin dito, no? Is the difference in terms of oras. So, yung ating oras ay actual hours. Okay? So, actual hours natin. Alright? Minus standard hours to be multiplied by standard rate. Actual hours, given naman siya, 7,000. Hindi pa given yung standard hours. Pero given yung 2,750 to be multiplied, produce times 2.5 required hours. Okay? So, times standard rate of 750. Okay? So, 750 yung ating required hours. Sige, multiply muna natin. 2,750 para makita mo kung yan po ay unfavorable or favorable. Ito ay 6,8. Unfavorable na naman. Ano? Okay? Unfavorable na naman. Diba? Times 750. So, 6,875 minus 7,000 times 750. 937.5 or 938 unfavorable. Rounding off na lang tayo. The answer po dito ay letter boy. So, yun lang. Hopefully, you've learned about the topic of variance analysis for direct materials and direct labor. If you want more and if you want this video, please like and share my YouTube channel, Master Accounting, my TikTok, my Facebook, Master Accounting. And next naman, we'll discuss about the one-way, two-way, three-way, four-way variance analysis in overhead. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.